I don't see it as an appointment. I see it say a call to duty. So Omampenyi Afro Sebesom Asante Mai enti ejuma pa ensenia meka abiem no say who be take you over from obi a wabɔ ne ho mmɔden a ejuma kɛse pa enti in as much as many agye sɛ mewɔ na bɛyɛ new acting chief executive of Confanochi Teaching Hospital no, I also know say ejuma pa say unim there were a lot of projects ɛkɔ so and Nana vision is say hospital no be cost because he served 12 out of the 16 regions. And you know, media say I don't see it. Say there is not a time to jubilate, but a call to duty. You were Jumaye and a Jumano started fee and there. Say we have projects now a year or two for vision and Nana vision a year that of not only as Santemai a year or mine Ghana. Send I make a hospital no a share 12 out of the 16 regions. So in effect, I share over 80% of the country. Tinana vision, your mining in our vision. And as the CEO, I may some asante, I may some or henino. And mean to me, kase mean jai, like me mean twaso. If it's a nana, kasana, I say, yeah. And a me priority pa, so osha, a treno, ye bet you but a damakumaso. If you say, me head of orthopedics crano, me say, me CSA, me ward, ne, na si for na branch ye ojina hoi. Nye bibia ni eka. A project way on a day, ye call, a chena maker, or penny be horn ma, and norma ba ya fe, aba, nina ya kasakwa. Enti, a yadia, edama kumasu ye pa. If you say, or hine, I can't say many wine na maka se bimbi so until the project no be BISCA na ekoso. In fact, yes share board, maybe share board where processes. Board chairman ye raise that issue ni na no yes or ma raise 40% of money. Meanwhile 10% of work na aye. And even with the 40% no. Because of inflation, it delays, ama in actual fact, Sikaya available about 20% of the total amount no omuhiano. May mean to me my promises. I feel na maba. Me finding out Sika sene oho, sene yenya, ejuma sena aka minim say ya about 10% because Nana board chairman part of it okay no to me. Minim say about 10%. But ye bet na asini ahwehwe mu nyina se empo sika ni ho no ma once eye otumfo project see enye no as the CEO say na make me some Asante Mine first me some otumfo ansa na ma some Ghana nti kwan bia me fa so say ye to project no so with the support of Nana ye be ye se certificate security man bia bi rama o park enye because ABA may be head. Say I'm here from Mayor House Officer, medical student. Me ubia oba me office na yet na senior didia security man to me ba me odidia me satum sana me metie. Me bana security for din command me gina modibi or modidia me dibi. Enye position way na ebes sami. And senior American no say me former CEO. Se me here bibia nye office. Me shia no kwan hu bia maka mihiawe the same way me head of department obi so oba me officer so obey then na wo hia oh me nim say e kan wa ha enkyere say me respect na am say respect e adwuma na ye say ne nti the same pa Kwesi Baidoo a nkrofo enim no saa na ebeye me nye CEO me ye obi a me som Asante man me som otumfo ti staff no they should feel free wo hia bibia in fact omo nim dida yes, I feel na meka. But bibi omuhiano ye be discuss say be kra mean to me nya e kwan a me fa so aboa na mean to me aso a me ma omo hu say be a we nti no mean to me ana be o hia de 10 betumi ama 2 me mo hu enti me ye the same pa Kwesi Baidoo a me ye no ti obia me doors open not only to staff no obia se na meka no ye som Ghana man ye som Asante man na obia oba ɔwɔ Ghana biara no sɛbi ɔsom ɔhene na weyɛ ɔhene hospital ti sɛ me disrespect ɔmo ma disrespect ɔhene ti me doors ɛyɛ open time biara